Umentri rangba kecela kongrat ke sangma haka singin kong ulaya thu bag Sorkar kala tho shiti shaka KSU Students Union KSU bakhat iki banwan shaka iakren halor ki santli ki mat jingdawa jongka mila tho shiti shaka KSU bat kintu yaki bakinwan shaka jingakren ikmi linti bengin yo eka jubab le si menta ka janmil nila shai ka singi bengin sa ekren ya baro santli ki mat jingdawa jongka ong konrad haba ekren mit kinong tho kubor halor ka jingkano bag Sorkar ka klemle halor ka jingdawa ka KSU UCM ulaong ay bangan kular hapi bagan ni kamlong kumta badhi babon ki benta haka jing shisha ki kam kilayan kaladon ka jingpen smuthu bakla badkat ki badon ki mat ki bami ngin sapin shai haka jingalang bengin se shong bakit khot ka KSU.
We have written to them today, officially this time, and asked them to come for discussions and for talks. We expect that we will get some response maybe by today evening or maybe tomorrow, and we will discuss all the 5 agendas and the points that I've mentioned. Well, we are investigating the entire aspect, and we are not closing any of the possibilities. We're looking at all aspects. We saw the statement made by the General Secretary of KSU right after the incident happened, saying that that it was not their people who were involved in the violence. But obviously, at that point in time, given the circumstances and given all the situation, the reports and everything we had, and the intel that we had at that point in time, we took action based on that. But as I said, we are not going to leave any stone unturned. That statement was made by the General Secretary of the KSU. So obviously, we're going to ensure that investigation is done on all fronts. Yeah, we have managed to, situation has been brought under control in kind of a limited period of time. A lot of discussions took place in the front, behind, and communication was being done. So the idea is to resolve the issues. I think that is what is the primary objective that we have in front. We will definitely examine the points that have been placed by the Honorable LO, and we'll see after examining how maybe we should move forward in that, but we'll examine it.